Hi and welcome to GalleryPro. When you first log in, you're going to see this page with all the getting started information on it. We're going to go through all of these things, but let me note a few that are important. If you're on Firefox, Chrome, or Safari, you'll be able to drag images from folders or your desktop straight into your GalleryPro category area. If you're on Internet Explorer, you'll have to browse for the image and load them the old-fashioned way, but you can add more images. Even though you can only add one at a time, you can keep putting them up as they go. So once you've read through this, you simply put it away here, and it goes away. If you need to get it again, click on Help, and you bring it back. Okay, so here's our main dashboard for GalleryPro. Categories, portfolio images, and options. In the categories area, we can create new categories by simply creating a new category here. We can change the name of the categories we've created, or we can delete them right here on these little icons. We can also change the order that they appear by simply dragging them in the order we'd like them to appear. The portfolio part of it is also drag and drop, and we can change the order of the images any way we'd like to, that way. We can delete the image with that icon, and we can move this image from this gallery into another category by simply dragging and dropping the image on whatever category we'd like to have it. If we want to make the thumbnails a little bit larger so that we can see them easier, we might just drag the little resize slider up, and we've got bigger thumbnails. We set the size of the thumbnails and the type of thumbnails in this area here, in our options area. We're using square here. Let me show you what the default is, and I'll refresh. The default is the full-size image, or the full image that is, without the center crop. I prefer the square image, so I'm going to go back to that, square, and refresh. And I have my square crops. Okay, I set the minimum size here and the maximum size here. And the resizing slider right here, I can leave that on there so it appears on my website so my clients can resize the image as well. So it's kind of cool. We've disabled both that and the history, which allows you to choose a single image and save that page. We've disabled it for mobile devices because sometimes some mobile devices don't play nice with it. So for me, I'm just going to leave it off and not use it. Once I've set my portfolio up, and if I'm using a WordPress, I simply paste this into my WordPress page and grab our plugin, our GalleryPro plugin. GalleryPro plugin and GalleryPro works very nicely with most WordPress themes. However, some WordPress themes may have a very old version of jQuery. If that's the case, we may have to go in and fix that for you. But it's fairly easy to do, and we're happy to help you out. If you have a website, we've got 2 lines of code for your header script, and simply copy and paste this right straight into your GalleryPro page, and you'll maintain your portfolio there. So let's go over and see what it looks like, shall we? First, I'll publish it. And then I'll go up to my page, GalleryPro. I'll refresh this page here. And there we have the images. I can switch between pods and new work. And of course, as I said, I'm going to leave the resize slider here. Click on an image, and using my arrow keys, I can go through my images and back to the page. Go back to pods. And just go through them very easily like that. So it's a very simple tool, and you can publish your GalleryPro portfolios all over the web. So you could have a blog with the same portfolio as your website. You could create a Facebook custom page and put your portfolio there. But you maintain it all from one simple place. And you can put up very large images. In the next video coming up mid part of the week, I'll show you how to do very large images for your GalleryPro. Thanks a lot.